back to my channel, and I'm at it again, and this is another unboxing. It is actually, it's not an unboxing, it's more of me showing you that I got the Lunar Beauty limited edition collection, and I'm just going to show you, this video is just going to show you, this video is me showing you the whole bundle that I got, and then I'm also going to give you my thoughts on it because I did do a tutorial on this look and I did it with this collection. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, and hit that like button. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the bundle does come with this little card, and it is just says Lunar Beauty, and then it's Manny right here. On the back, it shows everything that the bundle comes with, and I did get everything, and we're going to go ahead and start with the 15 shade color palette, which is, the packaging is this. This is what it looks like, and it has a little message from him with his signature, and it says, "Bring out the goddess in you with Greek goddess." This 15 color palette is the perfect combination of warm mattes and bright shimmers. Even Zeus would be shook. Perfect for an everyday casual look or a bold and bright eye. This palette is a must, and it's a beautiful palette, and this is the look I created with it. I will be releasing the tutorial on this look after this video. I'm assuming so. Don't hold me up to that. I just don't know when it's going to come out. But this is the palette. So the palette is very smooth black, and it is a matte black, and then this is very bright, and it is, I don't know if you can see it, it is a bit lifted, just a bit. So these are snakes, and then I'm assuming this is Medusa. I'm assuming, I'm not quite sure, I could be wrong. So and when you open it, it does have a big mirror, has a big mirror, and then the 15 shades. Now you'll see that I already swatched some of these, I already used some of these, so this is actually a very, very gorgeous palette. I like it. Do we have these colors, or do I have these colors? Absolutely, I do. I have some of these colors in other palettes, but I really gravitated toward this. The moment he dropped it, I wanted it. I did have to wait, a couple days, but that's alright. The pigment on these eyeshadows is very, very good. Does it have fallout? Absolutely. It's just normal with the palettes. To me, it's not such a big deal. I don't really care about the fallout. That's not a deal breaker for me, but it's a gorgeous palette. The colors work great. They blend great. But yeah, and then on the back of it, it just says Lunar Beauty, Greek goddess, and then it just says his social media right here. They are cruelty free, and then their website, and then for those of you that like all the drama about how much you get and all of that, that's what they have right here. And it's already dirty because I probably already got it dirty. But anyway, the next item is the highlight palette, which comes in the same unit carton then from the palette, and this message says, "Bring out the sun goddess in you with this 6 color highlight palette that goes with any skin tone, from the fairest skin to the deepest complexion. This Greek goddess highlight is a must." So that was the little message, and this is the palette, and I love this. I love that he did white and then he did black, or I'm sorry, he did black and then did white, either or. It's so beautiful. It does say Greek goddess down here, and I think the other one does too. Yeah, the other one does too. And oh, these colors are beautiful. People might say, another highlighting palette. However, for me, I don't feel that way because I don't have much highlighters. And, well, I can't say I don't have much. I do have several highlighters, but some of them don't really work for me, and some of them I don't use. And I am not the one to buy highlighters all the time. So I love this because I get a range of different types of highlighters, or not types, but different shades of highlight. So I'm okay with it. This one does come with another mirror, which I love. They do bend back, and then they do come with this. And then these pans are huge. Look how beautiful that is. From the fairest to, I'm assuming this is for the deepest complexion. And I probably gravitate towards this. I don't know. I'm not the deepest complexion, but I am a pretty tan complexion, I guess. So I really like this. I'll probably use this one. This one might be a little too light for me, but these I really love. I love these. Pink is just not my color for highlight, but it could work. You know what? Let's go ahead and put some highlight in my brow bone and then in my inner corner to see. A lot of people like to see what the drama is all about, and I don't really care. I usually buy the product because I want it. And yeah, so we will go in with, we are wearing a darker, so we'll do this lighter shade. This brush is too big. What brush can we use? I'm gonna go ahead and use this one right here, which is the Morphe M574. We're gonna go into Harpy, I want to say, this lightest shade, and go into that one and put it in our inner corner. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe that one's too big. So that does have like a little pink undertone, or it could be my face also. So I went ahead and put some in my inner corner and on my brow bones up here. So we're doing good. Like I said, I really like this palette. I probably gravitate more to it, but we will be playing around with this palette and the other palette more. I really like them. Nothing wrong with them. So the next items that came out were the 3 lip products. So the first one was the Lunar Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Aphrodite. And this is the unicorn. It is very beautiful. He did sign it right here. And the shade is this color right here. I'm going to try to swatch it for you guys. The smell of these is amazing. It smells like cake batter. So this is Aphrodite. It's like a red. So beautiful. The next shade is, and this is a lip gloss, and this is in shade Celine, and it's a lip gloss, and this is what it looks like. The packaging is beautiful. That is what Celine looks like. I absolutely love this lip gloss. It's so beautiful. And then the last product that came out was another liquid lipstick in ZAYA. And ZAYA is his little dog, and she is the cutest thing ever. And this is the shade. This is the shade. And if you guys haven't noticed, I am wearing that shade on my lips today. And this lip color, or this lip formula, is very comfortable to wear. I could barely feel that I have anything on. So this is a very, very good formula. I really like it. Not drying at all. Very pigmented. And my overall thoughts on this collection, I think it's absolutely great and very pretty. I love the color. This is for an everyday, the colors are for, I would say, are for more like everyday, the everyday girl. that, you know, goes to the office and uses those neutral browns and lighter browns. But I think this is a good collection. I think it was worth it. I love the lip products. I think it's very pretty. They're very comfortable to wear. And yeah, that's my overall thoughts. I love the look that I made with it. So stay tuned for that video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about the collection, if you guys got the collection. Make sure you like this video, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. I have great videos coming up. And yeah, thank you so much for your support, and I love you all. Bye guys.